Hi everyone, my name is Natalia Klimek, and I am currently in Tampa, Florida, originally from Chicago, Illinois. Um, I graduated this past May from the University of Tampa with a bachelor's degree in allied health sciences. Previously, I was going towards a PA route or a PT route, but I changed my mind not too long ago, and I'm going pharmacy route. And thankfully that each of the prereqs for my degree satisfied most of them for pharmacy school. I just have a couple left. So this past year I've been taking a couple of prerequisites. This is why I'm taking medical biochemistry as well, to fulfill that prerequisite for pharmacy school. I recently did my interviews for school and I heard back from a few, so I'm excited to start this fall. I'm also taking a microbiology course and a cell biology course this semester, and that will finish up my prerequisites. Along with that, I am working part-time in a pharmacy as a technician to gain some more experience in a pharmacy field, and I love it. Also, a couple of my hobbies are going to the gym, along with hanging out with family and friends, and just spending my free time outside, rollerblading, and all that fun stuff. But I'm excited for the semester, and thank you, and hope everyone has a great semester too.